Good morning, class third. I hope you all are good and please be safe and stay at home. Please don't go outside. It's not good to go out, okay? So please be there, okay? So today, what we are going to do today we will study about poem, but I will give you the question and answers which are related to that poem. So today I'm going to give those questions, answer the following questions. Before that, you have to open your book and take out this book, take out your English main course book, Three Roots and Wings, and open page number 22 in your English textbook. All right. So you have to open that page number 22. As I have written on page number 21, there is a poem, and on page number 22, there are some question and answers and some exercise related to that poem. All right. So you have to open that page. No, now we'll do the B exercise because A exercise I have already taught you. Now B's turn. Answer the following questions. So first question is, does the poet's family support him when he is in trouble or when he has made a mistake? कि जो पोएट की फैमिली है वो उसको सपोर्ट करती है. सपोर्ट मतलब उसका साथ देती है जब भी वो कभी when he is in trouble, जब भी वो कभी किसी परेशानी में होता है. ठीक है, when he is in trouble और या when he has made a mistake, या फिर जब वो कोई गलती करता है तब क्या उसकी फैमिली, जो पोएट की फैमिली है, वो उसका सपोर्ट, उसका साथ देती है या नहीं? You just have to answer yes or no in this question. But there is another question is after that is how, कैसे. And one more thing is asked here is refer to the second stanza. So you have to refer second stanza for this answer. All right. So what is in this question is क्या जो पोएट की फैमिली है वो उसे उसका साथ देती है जब भी वो कभी परेशानी में या फिर वो कोई गलती करता है तब. All right. So what does. So you have to answer yes or no. So first one is yes. Yes, the poet's family supports him when he is in trouble or when he has made a mistake. So how? How means कि कैसे support करती है. The poet's family, then I'll write the answer on board. So you will write, okay? So yes, the poet, write down, yes, the poet's family supports him the poet's family supports him, standing by him, standing by him, no matter what he does, no matter what he does, then when he fails in some effort, when he, or you can write when he fails in some effort, or you can say when he, okay, when he makes any mistake or when he fails in some efforts, they pick him up and or you can write they help to pick. They help to pick him up. They help to pick him up. They help to pick him up, dry his tears, dry his tears. Sorry, before this you have to here put a comma. Okay, put a comma mark here. Then you will write dry his tears and make him stand facing. Okay, no need to write, this much is enough. Okay, so this is the answer of your question number 1, because there are 2 questions there. So does the poet's family support him when he is in trouble or when he has made a mistake? कि जो poet की family है वो उसका support करती है या नहीं? तो yes, the poet's family supports him. कि जो poet की family है वो उसको support करती है, standing by him, हमेशा उसके साथ खड़ी रहती है, no matter, standing by him no matter, कि उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता उसने क्या किया है, what he does. Okay, उन्हें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि उसने क्या किया है, चाहे सही किया है चाहे गलत किया है, लेकिन they always stand by him. Alright, so when he fails in some, when जब भी वो कभी एफर्ट्स मीन्स जब भी कुछ मेहनत करता है या फिर उसने कोई प्रयास किया है उसमें वो फेल हुआ है, तो दे हेल्प टू पिक हिम अप, तो वो उसकी मदद करते हैं उसको उठाने में और उसके आंसू पोंछने में. ओके, so this is the answer of your question number 1. All right, now move on to the second question. What is the second question is saying? How does a person benefit by having a special family according to the poet as stated in the third stanza? What? How does a person, कि एक जो पर्सन है वो किस तरीके से फायदा उठाता है अपनी स्पेशल फैमिली होने का, अकॉर्डिंग टू द पोइट, जो पोइट कहना चाह रहा है उसके अकॉर्डिंग, इस पोएम के अकॉर्डिंग जो पोइट कहना चाह रहा है कि किस तरीके से एक जो पर्सन है वो एक स्पेशल खास परिवार का फायदा उठाता है, उससे किस तरीके से बेनिफिट ले सकता है, जैसा कि थर्ड स्टेंजा में हमने पढ़ा था. सो फर्स्ट वी turn the page on 21, then we will see the third stanza. What is written in that third stanza is a family that laughs with you, a family that laughs with you and helps you see the good, a family that will love you more than you thought you could. So it's written in your third stanza. Now we will move to the answer. When we have a special family, so we will write here answer number 2. Okay, when we have a special family, when we have a special family, जब हमारे पास एक खास परिवार होता है, it laughs with us, जो हमारे साथ हंसता है, it laughs with us, जो हमारे साथ खुश होता है, हमारी खुशी में खुश होता है, and loves us and helps us with us, it loves us, it loves us and helps us to see good in everything, to see good in everything around us. All right, everything around us. Okay, so this is the answer of your question number 2. So what is there in this answer or question? First of all, how does a person, मैंने जैसे आपको बताया कि जो एक पर्सन है वो किस तरीके से फायदा उठाता है एक स्पेशल फैमिली होने का। अगर उसके पास एक स्पेशल फैमिली है तो वो किस तरीके से उसका बेनिफिट उठा सकता है, ठीक है, ले सकता है। तो what will be the answer is so when we have a special family, जब हमारे पास एक खास परिवार होता है, it laughs with us, कि वो हमारे साथ ही खुश होता है, it loves us, वो हमें प्यार करता है, and helps us to see good in everything around us, और हमारी मदद करता है हमारे जितने भी आसपास की चीजें हैं उनको अच्छा दिखाने में, ठीक है। टू सी गुड मतलब हम हर चीज को अच्छी तरीके से देखें। टू सी गुड मीन्स अच्छी तरीके से इन अ पॉजिटिव वे, ऑलराइट। तो हम किस तरीके से देखें, पॉजिटिव आउटलुक लेकर किसी भी चीज को अपना पॉजिटिव आउटलुक रखें, जिससे कि हम हर चीज को जो भी एवरीथिंग अराउंड अस वो हमें पॉजिटिविटी के साथ लगे, ओके। So next question is, do you agree with the poet that a special family is important for everyone? So here also you have to write yes or no. You have to answer yes or no. But there is another question in that same question is, give an example of of how your family cares for you. ओके, तो एक क्वेश्चन और है कि आपको एग्जांपल देना है कि आपकी जो फैमिली है वो कैसे केयर करती है आपकी, ओके। हर किसी की फैमिली है जो एक पर्सन को अच्छे से केयर करती है, ऑलराइट। और फैमिली से ज़्यादा केयरिंग पीपल और कोई नहीं होते हैं। मोस्टली हमारे जो पेरेंट्स होते हैं, ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर, सिबलिंग्स, वॉट, ठीक है, तो वो सबसे ज़्यादा केयर करते हैं, इवन दादा दादी, नाना नानी, ठीक है। तो जो भी फैमिली पर्सन्स हैं, फैमिली मेम्बर्स हैं, दे रियली केयर अ लॉट फॉर दैट पर्सन। तो डू यू एग्री विद द पोइट, कि क्या आप सहमत हो पोइट के साथ? पोइट मीन्स जिसने ये कविता लिखी है, ठीक है, पोइट कवि के साथ, ठीक है। सो विद द पोइट दैट अ स्पेशल फैमिली इज इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर एवरीवन, कि जो स्पेशल फैमिली है वो सबके लिए बहुत ही ज़रूरी है। तो क्या आप इस चीज़ से सहमत करते हो या नहीं? डू यू एग्री विद दैट or not, that a special family is important for everyone, okay? So you have to give example that how your family cares for you, कि जो आपकी फैमिली है वो आपको कैसे टेक केयर करती है, लुक आफ्टर करती है, alright? So that you have to answer. First is, do you agree with the poet? Yes, we are agree with the poet that that a special family is important for everyone. Okay, so first of all we will give the answer that yes, we are agree with the poet that a special family is important for everyone. Okay, so next question, you have to give an example. So what you are going to, that a special family to belong to and to love. I know my family cares for me because why your family loves you. That you have to write the answer in that. So I'll write yes, it is important for everyone. So you have to write the answer 3. Yes. First of all, what do you have to write? Yes, it is important. It is important for everyone to have a special family, all right? For everyone to have a special family. To have a special family. To have a special family. Okay. So you have to give the example how your family cares for you. So how will you write? I know my family cares for me. I know my family cares for me because. कैसे आपकी फैमिली आपको केयर करती है? So that you have to write that how your family cares for you. So because, so what you are going to write is cares for me because you can write they always stand because they always stand by me. ठीक है, क्योंकि वो हमेशा मेरे साथ खड़े होते हैं when uh, I made mistakes. Okay, when I made mistakes. All right. So this is the answer of your question number 3. All right. So these are the answers. Answer number 1, 2, and 3. So one more time I will explain you this answer. Yes, it is important for everyone to have a special family. कि yes, ये ज़रूरी है कि सबके पास एक खास परिवार होता है. ठीक है, होना चाहिए. For everyone to have a special family. I know my family because there is another question asked in your question. Number 3, I know my family cares for me because मुझे पता है जो मेरा परिवार है वो मेरी केयर करता है, मेरी देखभाल करता है, क्योंकि they always stand by me, क्योंकि वो हमेशा मेरे साथ खड़े होते हैं. और when I made mistakes, जब भी मैं कोई गलती करता हूँ तो. Alright, so this is the answer number 3. So that's is today's exercise. You have to complete in your notebook. And after writing these questions, so I have explained how you have to write the poem and word meanings and rhyming words also. All right. So first of all, what you are going to write is your poem on the date of yesterday's. Okay. So what was the date? Yesterday, 13th July. So you have to write 13th July 2020, and then in the middle of the page and the top of the page, what do you have to write? The poem's name of the poem, and then writer's name, means poet's name, and after that you will write the poem in your beautiful handwriting. After that, what you have to write is you have to write the rhyming words of the poem. So what are the rhyming words? I have explained to you yesterday also that what are the rhyming words. So what are the rhyming words? Which same sound, which have the same sound. Okay, those words which have same sound. Okay, so those words are called rhyming words. So you have to write rhyming words, and then after you are going to write word meaning. There is only word. There is only one word meaning. So you have to write that meaning. And please don't do the true and false exercise. And then you have to do the answer the following questions which I have given you today. All right. So this is your work. So if you want to take a screenshot, you can take. Okay. So these are the answers you have to write in your notebook. And one more thing is that if you have any queries, please, if you have any queries, you can ask me on class WhatsApp group related to the topic, related to the English language or literature. Okay. So if you have any query, if you have any doubt, you can ask me on class WhatsApp. All right. So thank you for today and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.